we are doing my performance now, which is the, I'm going to tell the story where we tell and we kind of bust me out. So it was a little competition named What's Your Story Jamaica? Doctor, this is not your set. You're on the show tonight. Country and I come to town and make $2,000. Literally, I come with enough in the basket, $2,000. I get a little drive go home and I have $2,000 to live off for a week. I do that for like 5 years. God knows, like I lived off $2,000 a week in order to establish the farming thing I do. And one day, this is feelings. Everybody feeling good here tonight. We can't hear me, can't see that. Feelings are very important. I sell sugarcane on the Kingston Harbour. And at the end of the journey now, I leave the harbour, take a taxi go East Kingston. That's how my people stay. So I really send catching my farm, you know. Banana, sugarcane, coconut, them little thing there and go around the place. So but my people live at East Kingston and sometimes I stay there with them. Them have a little uptownish thing to me, they don't tell them so I not to run down the uptown. Them middle classish area them live. And yeah, so I take the taxi head to the middle classes here with people them there. And when we reach it's COVID time, you know. You know, this a few years ago when COVID and lockdown and wellness, say everywhere have lock 8 o'clock or there about. I wrap up, sell pan hour about 6 o'clock in East Kingston, reach my father and say he want a bag of Lasco. Because you know, he want a bag of Lasco. But now we're not open because wellness say lockdown. No, I know not general here, but you see now the garrison them, they know that go. Wellness say lockdown, but every shop have a place, you know, every yard have a shop in front with that kind of style. So I say, alright, I go and garrison where they near the so-called middle class, people them live. I get the bag of Lasco and I can buy a bag of weed for myself. So that I say, I head towards the middle class. I leave from me get to go middle class. So one dance I play, a dance I keep in a wrap up time. Dance I keep out of go wrap up. Mostly young people on the road. So when I play, people to two sides. I reach, me get the Lasco. I have to walk through the dance to go get the weed. So I walk through the dance, I get the weed. I walk back through the dance, I head back now to middle class here, my people in there. Yeah. So I walk and I reach a certain distance, pass the crowd, everything, reach away from them. And you cut off from the dance and run me down.
Greetings world, this is King Nyah.
I'm a farmer from the hills of Riversdale, St. Catherine. A farmer with no experience in show business, and it wasn't lying when it made that headline and said wins Jamaica's most prestigious storytelling competition. That man is I, and that newspaper headline changed my life forever, as did the What's Your Story Jamaica storytelling competition. I'm now not just a farmer, I'm a performing artist.
Give it in. Alright, so one but me down, but the boy there, him a bat him and a pinch him.
I'm a vlogger, YouTuber.
I'm here to proclaim myself, Nyah Uhuru Nation, as king of this island state of Jamaica.
KM Jamaica TV, that's my YouTube channel where I'll continue telling stories for the rest of my life. That's what happened with the What's Your Story Jamaica storytelling competition. It is changing lives. I'm grateful.
Yeah, Rasta! Rasta! Yo, you say a little girl get taken today. I say, no. Yeah, man. And I want to tell you, so the girl see you pass through the dance a while ago and the girl say, yo. I say, no. I'm sorry, me is a vendor and a Rasta. Me not mix up in a things like them. They get thee behind me. Say it up. You turn my back, him. and God left him now. Think everything good. Me reach a certain distance and the man run me down again, breathless. Rasta! Rasta, see girl here now. The girl says she want to identify you. So me now pass them and reach out. You know Jamaican street light thing, Garrison area. One light good there, so one not good. One light good there, so one not good. And that. So me under light were good enough. Them under light, the dark. Them under light which is dark. And the man run me down now saying want to identify me. When me look at two of them, they look like about 21 years old, young men. And say them go. So me I walk back with them now. Me I go, you know what? Me if I mix up in this with a vendor where everybody know who walk through that the area sell the whole years and wait. Me reach down now and me see the girl, look nice looking girl with natural hair style but afro puff. Part in a 2-year style of one little mini skirt, catch her way up here. So you know that skirt there with dress. If she bend over so you see straight in her arm. Right up here so. That's what the girl man and I say man where I try to tell her where she identify. She stand up in the dark, you know, and they will call me back from out of the light into the dark in order to identify me. Right, so we reach up to her and she look pleasant, her face pleasant, her she pleasant, me walk up pleasant, I go, hi, my friend, who is it get me mixed up in her? All of a sudden this pleasant face turning a demon when me call it now. Him try to take me away today. And the boy, they were shuffle up, gun, but me don't know, me don't see them yet, but they were shuffle and always drape me and grab me, and push me now, go back around towards the garrison. So, me kind of go with them, but me say, yo, me don't know nothing about this. We have that kind of style, and them push me. Me go with them, me reach to a point now where it have a man where, a vendor to like himself, where film light not really on, but we can glimpse him around the party. The place dark, you know, pour it lockdown, nobody know the road, and me and them alone. But, me will say Lindo, I'm going to sell me to him. Me don't know if him dead, but me have a feeling, me stop. So me stop now, them and push me, me stop firm now, and make them can't push me no more right at Lindo gate. And me tell me, yo, me not got no more way them come, do not tell you this, I don't know what going on with this and now. And Lindo must hear what going on and go, yo, what going on here? And the girl answer him, Mr. Lindo, this man tried to take me away today. Him and three of them man now a white car. While me I thinking of mine, it blood clean. Me barely know nobody who own a car. And that my brain I say while the girl attack that. Mr. Lindo, him know what going on. Look on her firm and serious and go, Lord, this man good. Everything govern. Lord, the man alone. You know that effect there. And she shuffle like she don't want it and look on her serious again. Yeah, and you know mad, let me say, you know mother, like if I say that mother, this enough intelligent people, like the mother is a real word or a wee bit of word there. Mother, we don't know. We don't know, but we know me have a mad streak. And if the word mother is there, anytime you say that word there, it means my story done. But that word they come out of my while. And so the girl in firm and look on her and she go, I just show the other two mans them what they want, you know. We let him go. Come skilly, come sking. And he's gone, right? The man know where do they sit now, you can't lift up them little, you can't lift that hanging, guys. So we can't go on my yard with some girl who will call me and attempt to have the career, right? So Lindo call it Dan for the era. Two me no want call the name of the era. Call it Dan. I want pastor man to carry me and Lindo to go to the Dan. Who figure out what? The Dan make 2 phone calls and make some query and diggle daggle and ask some question here. And when he done it, he go, yo Rasta. He's a lucky boy, you know. That girl is the daughter of Madrisha. Marisha did mad, but it looked like she is madder. That's the story them give me. $208,000. $208,000 on the spot.
Greetings world, this is King Nyah. I'm a farmer from the hills of Riversdale, St. Catherine. A farmer with no experience in show business, and it wasn't lying when it made that headline and said wins Jamaica's most prestigious storytelling competition. That man is I, and that newspaper headline changed my life forever, as did the What's Your Story Jamaica storytelling competition. I'm now not just a farmer, I'm a performing artist.
Part in a 2-year style of one little mini skirt, catch her way up here. So you know that skirt there with dress. If she bend over, so you see straight in her arm.
I'm a vlogger, YouTuber.
I'm here to proclaim myself, Nyah Uhuru Nation, as king of this island state of Jamaica.
KM Jamaica TV, that's my YouTube channel where I'll continue telling stories for the rest of my life. That's what happened with the What's Your Story Jamaica storytelling competition. It is changing lives. I'm grateful.